Yeah, I'm going to be streaming for the next 100 days. Basically, take us through the end of October, take us through the end of the beginning of the school year for most people. Yeah, just trying to bring you guys content every single day. Ravindran says, actually, guys, I'm going to take a little quick camera break here because I need to turn on the fan in my office here. So give me just a Sorry for that, guys. I had to turn the fan up above me because it is just so warm today. So how is it possible to quantify the results of the project when there is no usage of the project? Um, well, here, we're not, in this example, we're not quantifying the usage or quantifying the training cycles, right? Because we're saying that we trained on 20,000 user entries, right? So there's many numbers you can provide. Obviously, if you can, you do want to provide those results from the usage of it. But if you don't have that, it's totally okay to focus on the training side, right? Because the training side is going to have numbers too, as far as the number of layers in your network, the number, the number of records that you trained on, how big your staff was for human validation, right? I manage 4 people who are my human validators for this NLP project. You can include that, right? So don't feel like the only quantifiable measure is the results of the project. There's plenty of other measures you can use there, okay? Rahul asking a great question. How many tech skills can you put in that section? I know pandas, numpy, so on. Would you suggest to choose these tech skills? Absolutely. Absolutely. I think that you kind of maybe just want to use some of your own reasoning for how you're going to group these. So for example, if you tell somebody that you use pandas, they probably already know that you also know numpy and scikit-learn, right?